Welcome to Future Phone Flash, your ultimate destination for all things mobile tech. Today we have some thrilling news about the highly anticipated iPhone 16 Pro lineup. We'll be delving into the latest leaks regarding dimensions and significant bezel reductions, courtesy of our reliable sources. If you're as eager as we are about the upcoming iPhones, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Introduction to the leak. Our trusted insiders, Ice Universe and Instant Digital, have shared exclusive insights into the iPhone 16 Pro lineup. The newest leaks unveil expected dimensions and advancements in bezel design, keeping us on the edge of our seats. Anticipated screen sizes and dimensions. Prepare for a visual feast. The iPhone 16 Pro is set to showcase a 6.3-inch display, while the Pro Max will boast an impressive 6.9-inch screen, pushing towards a phablet experience. Dimensions for the iPhone 16 Pro are estimated at 149.6 mm x 71.45 mm, slightly larger than its predecessor. Meanwhile, the Pro Max will measure 163 mm x 77.58 mm, further expanding the device's footprint. Slimmer bezels for a sleeker look. A standout feature of the iPhone 16 Pro series is its reduced bezel size. Expect a nearly 30% decrease in bezel thickness for the iPhone 16 Pro, while the Pro Max will see a commendable 26% reduction. This translates to a more immersive and modern aesthetic. Enhanced weight and thickness. Maintaining a sleek profile, both models will retain their 8.25 mm thickness but will gain a bit of weight. The iPhone 16 Pro is projected to weigh 194 grams, while the Pro Max will tip the scales at 225 grams, offering a substantial feel in hand. Leaks reliability. With a proven track record, Ice Universe and Instant Digital bring credibility to these leaks. While exciting, it's wise to approach rumors with caution until official announcements are made. Unveiling the enhanced dimensions. Our reliable sources have divulged the potential dimensions of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, hinting at a significant increase in size compared to its predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This size upgrade promises a more immersive user experience and sets the stage for groundbreaking design innovations. A comprehensive look at the numbers. Let's delve deep into the specifics. We'll meticulously compare and analyze the leaked dimensions of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, 163.02 x 77.58 x 8.26 mm, with those of the iPhone 15 Pro Max, 159.9 x 76.7 x 8.25 mm, providing a comprehensive understanding of the noticeable differences and their potential impact. Picturing the future of design. Beyond mere dimensions, these leaks offer a glimpse into a future where smartphones boast incredibly thin bezels and a sleek, futuristic aesthetic. Imagine a device that not only performs exceptionally but also captivates with its visual appeal. Embracing the era of immersive displays. One of the most exciting prospects of the iPhone 16 Pro Max's larger size is the promise of a more immersive display. Dive into how this expanded screen real estate can transform everyday activities like streaming movies, playing games, and multitasking, elevating your digital experiences to new heights. Balancing act. Evaluating pros and cons. While the prospect of a larger and more immersive display is thrilling, it's essential to consider the potential trade-offs. We'll explore aspects such as ergonomics, device durability, and battery life, providing a balanced view of what users might expect. Anticipating the official unveiling. As we eagerly await Apple's official confirmation, the consistent buzz and reputable sources surrounding these leaks add credibility to the excitement. Stay tuned for the grand reveal and the potential introduction of game-changing features like the rumored action button, promising a smoother and more efficient iPhone experience. Display innovations in iPhone 16 series. Prepare to be amazed as the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro are set to redefine excellence in smartphone displays. Insider reports from reliable sources suggest that these devices will introduce display upgrades that not only surpass but completely revolutionize the standards set by their predecessors. Why displays matter in smartphones? Let's take a moment to appreciate the unsung hero of every smartphone, the display. While Apple has been known for its meticulous approach to annual upgrades, the iPhone 16 series promises to elevate the significance of display technology to new heights, making it an indispensable component of the overall user experience. Speculated display enhancements. Whispers and speculations circulating within the tech community hint at a display that goes beyond mere brightness, exuding a radiance and clarity that were previously unimaginable. Leaks from September 2023 hinted at Apple's experimentation with cutting-edge micro-lens array (ENHANCMENTS) technology, which could potentially redefine our expectations of display brilliance. ENHANCMENTS technology and brighter OLED screens. Imagine the possibilities with ENHANCMENTS technology, capable of enhancing OLED screen brightness by precisely redirecting light through micro-lenses. If successfully implemented, this innovation could catapult the iPhone 16 series into a league of its own, setting new benchmarks for display quality and visual immersion. Anticipating the iPhone 16 unveil. As the anticipation reaches a fever pitch, we eagerly await Apple's official announcement, anticipating brighter displays, innovative technologies, and a user experience that transcends boundaries, leaving tech enthusiasts worldwide captivated and craving for more. Dimensions uncovered. Let's kick off our exploration with a sneak peek at the dimensions of the iPhone 16 Pro. Recent leaks hint at a size of 149.6 x 71.45 x 8.25 millimeters and a weight of 194 grams. Compared to its predecessor, the iPhone 15 Pro, which measures 146.6 x 70.6 x 8.25 millimeters and weighs 187 grams, we're looking at a subtle yet significant increase in size for the iPhone 16 Pro. The Pro Max marvel. Now, let's shift our focus to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Leaks suggest dimensions of 163.02 x 77.58 x 8.26 millimeters and a weight of 225 grams. In contrast, the iPhone 15 Pro Max measures 159.9 x 76.7 x 8.25 millimeters and weighs 221 grams. These revelations point towards a larger and marginally heavier Pro Max variant on the horizon. Screen size sensation. Excitingly, both models are rumored to boast larger screens. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to flaunt a 6.3 display, a step up from the 6.1 screen in the iPhone 15 Pro. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is poised to dazzle users with a 6.9 screen, a noticeable upgrade from the 6.7 display in its predecessor. Outro. There you have it, folks, a comprehensive look into Apple's highly anticipated iPhone 16 Pro Max and iPhone 16 Pro. Keep your eyes peeled for more updates as we approach their expected launch in September. Don't miss out on the latest in tech. Remember to subscribe for all things Future Phone Flash, your ultimate source for cutting-edge tech news.